What's up, Hustle Maniacs? It's your boy, Hustle Man, back with another video. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to life as a hustle man. So, if you're going through life, you better get to hustling, because the money don't stop. I never been into this Goodwill before, so I've never been to this one, so let me go in here and check and see what they got. I'll check back, y'all, when I get inside. Well, it looks promising, so y'all, they got a lot of music playing, so y'all bear with me. Oh wow, I see some vans. I see some vans right away. So look at these vans. I think shoes are $8.99. Let me see how much these are. Yeah, these are $9. Guys, I don't really deal in shoes anymore unless I get a good deal, because the prices are so high. Look at these cute little so you got to be kind of picky on shoes, you know what I'm saying, unless it's really worth it, y'all. So I don't really do the shoe thing, like I said, unless I find something specific that I know I can make a nice profit on. What the hell are those? What are those? Y'all, they got the music playing loud, so check out these Nikes. Infinity Golf. Oh, these are golf shoes. I never seen these before. They need cleaning. They look like they're not being used that much. So they need cleaning. I think these should be, oh, they got them priced at $16.99. They must think highly of these. I'll have to look them up and see. Oh, they got some Oakley sandals. I might have to check those out too. Let me do a little recon here. Let me see what these go for. Infinity Golf shoes. Nike's on. I wouldn't buy these for $200. I mean, $16 though. Let me do this again. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's some New Balance. I wonder how much they want for these New Balance. These are $16.99. I got these Oakleys. I got These for $8.99. I might get these. They want $8.99. What are these? These look like Merles. I can't really see what these are. Y'all, I'll sit y'all down for a second. I'll check that out in a second. The music's so loud in here, so y'all gonna have to excuse me. So guys, oh man, just picking up this, found this little sweater. I think I'm gonna get this. It's a Princeton sweater. It's like on a vintage. I think I'm gonna grab that. Then this Star Wars little sweater. Then this Amsterdam sweater. I mean little jacket. It's a throwback. So I'm gonna grab that as well. So y'all, I bought this helmet, this motorcycle helmet, for 40 bucks. I can sell this for like $150. Yep. I'll go back up here and check out. So guys, I just left the Goodwill, and I ended up buying a helmet, motorcycle helmet. Man, I could probably get about maybe $150 for that helmet. I paid 40 bucks for it, so that's a nice little profit. And I bought some golf shoes for 14. I know, what they 14? No, I think they were 16. I could probably get maybe 50 bucks for them. Those Nike golf shoes. I just gotta clean them up. I'm gonna clean them up and put them on Poshmark or eBay. I'll probably put them on Poshmark and eBay. I should get about between maybe $50 and $70 for those. Man, I bought an old Princeton little sweater or whatever for $5.99. I think it was $7.99. I could probably get maybe 40 bucks for that thing. Yeah, 40 or $35, somewhere around there. Then I found an Amsterdam jacket, like a soccer jacket, Amsterdam. It's like a vintage jacket. I could probably get about maybe 75 for that, or 50 bucks. I think I paid $5.99 for it. So all in all, man, breaking down what I bought, I spent $100. Off of that $100, I plan on making at least $300 to $350 off of that. Maybe, yeah. That's the goal in a way. That's what I'm trying to get to. So, y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, and I'll see y'all on the next one. All right, I'm out. Peace.